Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Seun Digital. And if you're new here, you've not subscribed on this channel, you are yet to subscribe. Okay, I just want to encourage you to do so because on this channel, I provide you information that can make you money online, tools that can help you to grow your business online, how you can start online business. That's what I do on this channel. If you can check through my video, you see I have a lot of video here. I have over 100, over 200 videos just for you alone. So you come here, watch the video, any video you're looking for on how to make money that can help you out to build website, digital marketing, you will find the video right here. So hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell because it's very important. So you will not miss any of my videos. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your little or small earnings from WHOGOHOST affiliate marketing. So I have this little change in my affiliate market. So I want to show you how to withdraw from. So I did a video on how to one of the affiliate system you can do in Nigeria, which I told you that WHOGOHOST affiliate is one of the best you can also do. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my WHOGOHOST account. WHOGOHOST. This is whogohost.com, whogohost.ng. And if you want to do affiliates with them, just register with them, register your account. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description box of this video. Just click the link to register your account with them. So after you register account, then start to promote their link for affiliate. So how do you get the link for affiliate? Now, once you register, you will find what's it called? When you register, you have access to the affiliate system. But I think there is here, other here. You click on this down part that say affiliate system. Click on it. You click on the affiliate system. So I'm gonna click on it right now. Clicked on that affiliate system right there. Okay. So I'm just waiting for load to come up. So I'm gonna show you how to do a withdrawal. All right. So how does the affiliate system work? How does it work? If a client you recommend pays for any of our products or services, you get as much as 15% of the amount paid. All you need to do is recommend our service to a friend or colleague, either through our unique affiliate link or with word of mouth. Once you once once the client pays payment for a product or service, you are credited with much as 15% of the amount paid. It is that simple. You may also keep track of your progress, and you can withdraw a request for you can withdraw request for withdrawal once you have minimum balance of 3,000. Okay, this is how it works. Um, use your website or your personal channel to promote Google affiliate, blah blah blah. So if you can promote their system, they give you money. So you can click here to become an affiliate with them. Click this button. But I'm an affiliate already, so I want to show you how to withdraw your money to have one. So click my account right here at the top. I click my account, then I want to do I want to uh, my network is just poor. So, oh, sorry about that. All right. So when you click your account, you have something like that. I have some services I'm doing with. So you want to click on affiliates here button that say affiliate. You want to click that. All right. So when I'm going to do that, my total clicks is 169 clicks, and sign up is 7 sign up, which I have 4.14% commission. So conversions rather. I beg your pardon. So okay, so I want to withdraw my uh I want to withdraw now. So all I need to do is click on request withdraw. So if I click request withdraw right now, it's gonna tell me that they are gonna progress test my withdrawal. They're gonna send me an email. So once they do so, and we can proceed with that. Okay. So I'm just waiting. My network is just way poor. Right. So if you're yet to subscribe again, I just want to encourage you, because if you really want to make money online, then this channel is the right channel for you. So you don't want to miss any of my video. You want to subscribe and be part of our family here, and also click the notification bell so that you won't miss any of the video I'm dropping on the channel. Okay, so while we're still waiting for my service is just okay. About that network. Okay, thank you so much. This is what we got. We saw this. Your request for a withdrawal has been submitted. You will be contacted shortly. So let's check my email. Maybe we have an email. Okay, I think we have an email already here. So let's do refresh. Check that out. Do refresh to check that out to see what's going on here. Okay, I think I have email. There's it. So I click this notification of available share IT solution. Thank you for contacting our support team. Our support ticket has now been open for your request. You will be notified when a response is made by him. Details of your ticket are shown below. Subjects: affiliate withdrawal request, medium, then open. Then this day. So I got this email, then I have another one here. Oh, Afolabi, dear Afolabi, thank you for contacting us. Please be informed that affiliate withdrawal requests are only attended to on Tuesdays. Kindly confirm if you would like the fund to be transferred to your bank account or your Google Client account. If it is the former, kindly send us your bank details so your request can be dead next to one regard. So blah 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 blah. Okay. So that's what I got. So what I'm gonna do now is to send them my account to you bank with GTB. If yes, payment. If yes, make payment for your invoice using. Okay. So if I click on my tickets, I click on the ticket right in there. I can give them my account. I'm gonna click on that. Click on that one. I want to wait for stuff to load. Okay. Okay. Affiliate request with a detail. Client balance 3,000. So I can provide them follow up reply. So I can reply here with my bank account. I can say thanks. Um, yeah, yeah, my bank details. Okay, okay, yeah, my bank details. or any of the bank. So I give them you. Yeah. Account name. Account number. Okay. So I want to put that there. So I'm gonna give them account name, account number. Um, that's for that. So my account number is account numbers is 14747. Then name is um, okay. So now this is the so I can submit it for them. All right. So right now I've submitted my account details. So very soon we're expecting my money on Tuesday. So that'll be the end of this video. And thank you for watching. If you're yet to subscribe, on this channel. You know what? Click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell because it's very important so that you will know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. And I come your way again. I will now say remain blessed. Okay. Thank you so much for coming.